Hello everybody, welcome to Charlie's room. Yay!
There's a beautiful day, headed your way. Keep your head up, you'll be okay. A beautiful day, waiting for you. Just open your eyes, you'll see it's true. Good times, sunshine, gonna be here in no time now. Bad times, gray skies, push them all away, turn them upside down. You're gonna break new ground.
Oh my! Hello everybody! Wow! How have you been? Today is a rainy day. And what do you like to do on rainy days? Oh, I know. I like to play with my dogs. And I like to play games on the computer. But most of all, I miss it when my friend goes to school. I'm a monster, so they do have monster school, but it's way on the other side of the United States. But I need to ask you a question. What are the things you like to do when it's raining outside? Can you tell me? Let's ask some of our friends right now. Jasmine, what do you like to do on rainy days? You like to sleep? Hey, bye. Say bye. Ah! What I like to do on rainy days is play with Jasmine's magic putty.
Look at that.
It actually stretches and it actually changes color. It's pretty cool. It's kind of hard though. It's different from when I grew up. But if you play with it long enough, it actually turns yellow. Look at this. Look at this. This is cool. I play with my putty. Yay! Something I like to do on my spare time. You like to play with putty, Jasmine? Here. You want to play with it? So this is what I like to do. Play with putty. This is awesome. Why? I like it. Yeah. Another thing I like to do is play with what is this called? Slime?
Fluffy slime and normal slime mix.
This is called Fluffy Slime and Normal Slime Mixed. So this is kind of cooler. It stretches better. It's easier to stretch. And it smells great. So, back to you, Pickle. Thank you for asking. Bye. Well, that was an awesome day. I want to say thank you, Christina. And thank you for Jasmine for showing me how to have fun on a rainy day. Now remember, I love you, and you have a great day. Have a fantastic night, and we'll see you next time on Puppet Show 75. This is Pickle reporting.